Make a nice friend.
They are building a dragon army. Or at least the guy they work for is, Dargo Bloody Fist or something.
Oh, Bloody, his fist was my face if he tried to take my dragon.
Oh, mine!
Such a moron.
Yeah, wait. You know it.
Turtle dragons!
What? Why?
Seal the gates! Lower the storm doors!
Oh, wait, what is happening?
Come on! You have the man! Look it up! No dragon or Viking sets foot off this island until I give the word!
Wait, because some guy you knew is stirring up trouble in some faraway land?
Because Drago Bloodfist is a madman without conscience or mercy. And if he's built a dragon army, God's help us all. Get them into the pens! Aye, Thor, quickly!
Let's ride back out there. We'll follow those trappers to Drago and talk some sense into him.
No, we fortify the island.
It's our duty to keep the peace.
Peace is over, Hiccup. I must prepare you for war.
War? Dad, if Drago's coming for our dragons, we can't wait around for him to get here. Let's go find him and change his mind.
Oh, some minds won't be changed, Hiccup. Berk is one you need to worry about. A chief protects his own. Secure the stables! Watch every stone!
Hiccup, don't. I have to.
This way! Quickly!
Come on!
Pick up!